Hello, my name is Courtney Marsden, and this presentation is for students needing to learn how to use Taskstream LAT. Please note that Taskstream LAT was recently rebranded under the new parent company, Watermark. Therefore, the branding within this video may not match exactly what you see, but the functionality is still the same. In this presentation, I will cover basic Taskstream terminology and walk you through how to submit work and track your progress. Taskstream has some terminology that you will need to be aware of before entering the system. First, LAT, which stands for Learning Achievement Tools, is a more specific name for the submission and evaluation features of Taskstream. You will usually just hear LAT referred to as Taskstream. When you see author, Taskstream is referring to you, the student. When you see evaluator, Taskstream is referring to the person grading your work or evaluating your performance. Evaluators can be internal, like your course instructor, or external, like a site supervisor, preceptor, or internship supervisor. Finally, DRF program, which stands for Directed Response Folio, is the workspace where authors submit work and evaluators evaluate it. DRF programs are set up differently by major and course, so your access to DRF programs may differ semester to semester. Now let me take you step by step through the submission process. Step 1, Option A. Log in directly through Flashline. Start by signing into your Flashline account. Click the student link on the left sidebar, click Resources, and then click Academic Resources. Within the main portion of your window, click on the block that says Taskstream or Watermark Taskstream. A new tab will open and you should be automatically signed into your account. However, if you are asked to sign in, then use your Flashline username and password. Please also note that if your browser blocks pop-ups, then Taskstream LAT will not open in a new tab. To fix this, change your pop-up blocker settings to allow pop-ups from Taskstream. Step 1, Option B. Link through Blackboard. If your course instructor has chosen to link his or her Blackboard course to Taskstream, then you will be able to enter the system by clicking on the designated folder. This will automatically log you into Taskstream. You will need to ask your course instructor for the name of the folder. Step 2. Author tab. If you have multiple tabs available, then be sure to select the Author tab. For most of you, this will be the only tab and therefore it will open by default. Your home screen will display the DRF programs that you are an author for. You can customize this display by clicking the Customize Display button located in the top right corner. Let me take a moment to discuss an example that I will use to complete the next steps. In this example, I am enrolled in Demo 15,000. My course instructor told me that I need to submit reflection paper number 1 and number 2 into Taskstream. So, for step 3, locate the submission space, I need to find where to submit my reflection number 1 for Demo 15,000. I am able to see Demo Key Assessments DRF program on my home screen. To enter this workspace, I simply click on the name of the DRF program. And that takes me into the DRF program. I can see which DRF program I am looking at via the name at the top. Now I need to find the correct category. Generally speaking, the name of the category you need to submit assignments to will be the same as your course number. So, if you'll recall from my example, I'm in Demo 15,000, and you can see that is listed along the sidebar. And now I need to find the correct assignment name. Assignments are listed below categories. As stated earlier, I need to submit 2 assignments to Taskstream, yet you will see 3 listed here. That is because one of these assignments is a non-submission, which means I do not need to submit any work to that section. You can tell if an assignment requires a submission or not by looking at the icons. Let me take a moment to review what the icons mean. The first icon means that you need to submit work to this space. The second, which is shaped like a red lock, means that you have already submitted work to that space. And finally, the third icon, which is shaped like a green exclamation point, means that you do not need to submit to that space. Again, that's considered a non-submission. Back to step 3 in our example. Let us say that I am ready to submit reflection paper number 1. I need to click on the name of the assignment in the left sidebar. Based on your assignment and how it was set up, a set of directions and the evaluation method may be visible. Step 4. Add work. Now I need to use the buttons at the top to add my work. Please note that your options may differ depending on the assignment. I will review all possible submission options at the end, but for this example, we will say that I need to submit reflection paper number 1 as an attachment. Therefore, I click on the blue Attachments button. A new window will appear. In that window, I need to select from 3 options. I'm going to briefly take a moment to explain how to complete the file upload for each of these 3 options. To upload a new file, click the purple Upload from Computer button. A new window will open and you will need to click on the Add Files button located at the bottom. Select the files that you wish to upload and then click on the orange Start Upload button. Once your files have been uploaded, click on the Upload and Close button located in the bottom right corner. To attach a file that has already been uploaded to Taskstream, select the Attach a Previously Uploaded File radio button. Select the category of work, select the specific file, and click Add File, which is located in the bottom right. Your final option is to attach an artifact that was created in Taskstream. To do so, click the radio button titled An Artifact Created in Taskstream. Select the type of work to be added, and then select the specific work that you would like to attach and click Add File, which is located at the bottom. All 3 of the attachment options that we just covered will bring you to this screen. Click the blue Save and Return button, which is located in the bottom right corner. A reminder will appear in a new window. It is letting you know that there is still another step that you need to complete before your submission is final. Please note that clicking OK on this reminder will not submit your work. Step 5. Submit work. After I exit out of the reminder window, I am brought back to this screen. Since I do not have any other files to attach, I am ready to submit my work. To do so, I must click the Submit Work button, which is located in the top right corner. I now have the option to add comments to my evaluator, or I can skip this step. The status of my assignment will now appear as submitted, and the assignment icon will change to the red lock. I can cancel my submission up until the work has been evaluated. To do so, I would click the Cancel Submission button, which is located in the top right corner. A new window would open, and I would need to click Yes, Undo Submission and Unlock Work to confirm the cancellation. Earlier I demonstrated how to add attachments because it is likely that most of your assignments will be submitted that way. However, before I move into how to track your progress, I want to briefly review the full list of submission options that you may come across. Taskstream allows you to submit text and image, slideshows, standards, attachments, videos, links, and embedded media. Now let me walk you through how to track your progress in Taskstream. Within your DRF program, click on the Scores/Results tab, located along the top right corner. This will give you an overall view of your progress from start to finish for each assignment. Here are the different statuses that you will see in this view. First, until you have started work for an assignment, you will only see the Edit Work button. Once you have started working on an assignment in Taskstream, you will see the In Progress appear in the Action column. You will also see that you now have the option to submit your work from this view as well. Once you have submitted your work, you can see details like when you submitted your assignment and who you submitted it to within the Action column. You can cancel a submission from this view by clicking Cancel Submission. Based on what your evaluator chooses, you will see the status change to one of 2 options. The first is shown in Figure 4. This status indicates that a revision is needed. If your evaluator has provided any feedback on why you need to resubmit the assignment or how to improve upon it, it will appear in the Results column. You can edit and resubmit your work within the Action column. The second is shown in Figure 5. This status indicates that the evaluation is complete. You can view your final score and feedback in the Results column. One final note. Taskstream is used as an assessment management system. Therefore, your course instructor may or may not use the score derived from the evaluation method in Taskstream as an assignment grade for your course. He or she may even use a different rubric or scoring scale for grading purposes, so it is important that you refer to your course syllabus to understand if and how your assignment is being assessed for grading purposes. Thank you for taking the time to listen. If you have questions about this presentation or ever experience issues with the system, then you can contact me, Courtney Marston, at cwade10@kent.edu or by phone 330-672-4033. If you have questions regarding the assignment itself or about the grading structure of your course, please contact your course instructor directly.